you can see, but I'm just trying to look in here because I don't know what is pulling on what. I do see that right there is like latched together or something. I don't know. I'm not a freaking mechanic. I'm a wannabe mechanic. Actually, I'm just a broke farmer trying to save $1. But yeah, that's what we're after right there. So we're making progress. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna get this thing off here yet though, because it's not really, I don't know, I need like forks or something, but I don't have any, so I don't know. We'll get it. Well, there she is, boys. I don't think that was probably the easiest or safest way to take that out, but she's out, so that's all that matters. I'm gonna grab some 6x6s so I can set this thing on the ground and keep from that from getting in the ground and stuff like that. And I don't know, I don't know what that is. I need to do my research on it and see what all this shit is, because I don't know. But look at this. Woo! That does not look fun. So there's the gear we're after right here. So I guess the next step's going to be is taking this housing off and being able to somehow pull that differential out of there. I still don't really know how that works, so we gonna figure it out though. We got this far, so we'll get her. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yep, so that right there where it's broken, and if you look, all of these are all eat up. Look at that. I mean, that is bad. And what happened, and really this ring gear looks good, so I don't want to have to replace the ring gear if I don't have to. I don't know if I need to, just because or what, but I mean, there's no marks at all on it. But that gear there is just eat plumb up. That is gnarly. Yep, you can see it real good right there. It's gone. And the thing that sucks, or that makes you nervous, is I have no idea why it did that. No idea at all. So, but anyhow, I'm guessing I pull this other axle housing off, and this probably bolted in somewhere over here. Unbolt it, that gets pulled out, and then hopefully that pulls out. I don't really know. And then it looks like this is what's holding. Looks like there's 4. I'm gonna have to get me a daggum something. What is that? I don't know. We'll be able to tell more to get this differential out and maybe figure out why the heck that broke. Maybe there's a bad bearing or something. I don't know. But whatever it is, hopefully we'll get it figured out and get that pulled out of there. So I think the worst of it is over. Maybe. I say that and I don't know. Well, that's about all I've got for today. I am going to go in. Actually, I got to feed the cows. And then I'm going to go in probably. Eat some dinner. Because it's getting that way. Getting that time of day. And I've done about all the damage that I want to do today. So we'll probably plan to start back tomorrow. And get this housing pulled off. Brakes on this side and all that, and see what we got to deal with. So have a good one. See you next time. Hey, Mr. Bulls. Eating that cow chow. Yum, 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 yum.